guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Anushka. Okay, I know I haven't uploaded a single video or shot a single video since very long, but अभी मैंने सोचा क्यों ना क्वारंटाइन है तो कुछ किया जाए. So I thought why not clean my wardrobe, and I wanted to do this since very long, like very long, but I'm super lazy. So of course कैसे करती मैं. Okay, so I didn't do it, and yeah, now it's like piled up. My clothes are all piled up and I don't know what to do, so I thought why not clean it up for once. And yeah, that's all we have to do. Please guys, do not judge me, okay, because it's like wholly I didn't think that it would be such a mess, but now it is, so we have to fix it. Yeah, and by the way, I got this, I don't know, something golu molu polu chiku, yeah, whatever, it will go, but it hurts. Okay, so I'll take you along my wardrobe. It's super simple, nothing special. Okay, it's just a simple wardrobe, good enough for my clothes, but I need to figure out how to place my clothes because I don't know where to keep. Okay, so that's a problem. Anyways, we'll fix that later. First I'll show you my wardrobe, do not judge. Okay guys, so it's ब्लैक वुड वाला wardrobe, okay, of 2 doors. Okay, ये ठीक से बंद भी नहीं होता because my clothes are like flowing out, all thanks to me. Okay, so when I open this, okay, so tada, this is my mess. Wait, you need to show more here. So I need to clean this up, then I need to clean this thing, and there are more clothes. Okay, so these are my new clothes and I need to do something of it. I don't know where I'll put all of the clothes because I actually don't have enough space, but still we'll figure it out. Okay, hi guys, so I just got back and I have just removed all my clothes from my wardrobe. It's right there, I'll show you in a while. But I got my earrings. I got only one pair. I don't know where's the other one, so I just have one of it. So yeah, my battery is low, so I'll just charge my phone and I'll get back to you. Okay, so these are all the clothes which I got, and like my full wardrobe is empty right now. So अभी मैं ये सब साफ करूँगी, और what I'll do is that I'll make piles. Like I'll separate all my tops, all my kurtas which I wear for college, and like all my leggings, my trousers, my jeans. I'll make separate pile of each and I'll separate it out. And about these things, let's see what we can do of this. Okay, so first we'll fix this and then we'll come back.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so finally I have sorted out everything. These are like all my jeans, my trousers, and my shorts. I don't have many shorts. I'll be having hardly like 2-3 of them. These are like my all skirts, then all my palazzos. Okay, so those are there. Then these are all my jackets, like the jackets which I wear on regular basis. These are all my tops. I need to figure out which one to keep and which one not to keep. Okay, so I'm going to discard some of them, which I don't want. Okay, those are all my leggings. I hardly used any of them, so they are like just there. And these are my kurtas, and maybe some maxi dresses. Okay, so those are there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang all my tops right over here. Okay, most probably I'm going to hang them based on color code. Then I'll keep all my bottom wear on down here, and maybe all my kurtas and ethnic wear on like last shell. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking to do, but let's see. Okay, I'll keep you all updated. Yeah. So guys, finally I have arranged everything, and let me show you. Okay, so what I have done is that I have arranged it in color coordinated order. Like I have placed all my whites over here, then all my grays, and then all my blacks. I have quite a lot of black clothes. Recently I realized it. Then I have all my blues, and then my greens, and then my yellows, and then all my pinks. Okay, so these are your, so this is how it looks. I'm quite happy with the result actually. Like then after this there is this, like these are my shelves over here. I keep all my straighteners and everything over here. Okay, so then I have kept all my skirts These are like my skirts, these are my palazzos, then these are my trousers here, and these are like my jeans. Okay. I have discarded like few of my jeans over here, so some of them I have discarded. Okay, so these are my leggings. Like these are my leggings. What I have done is that I have just uh, rolled this up, and I have put it over here. It's more convenient, I feel. So these are my this thing gym wala leggings, and the behind one are my normal leggings. Okay, these are my leg tracks, and these are my leggings. Okay, behind there are more leggings and tracks, and these are my kurtas. Okay, so please, I'm really bad at folding clothes, so I've just did whatever possible. Okay, so this is this, and yeah, so basically this is how I arranged my wardrobe. Okay. Hey guys, so finally it's done, and I'm like super happy that it's done. Okay, I'm quite happy with the outcome because uh, initially it was super mess. So at least now it's like very much better. And thank you guys for being here till the end. It was a great pleasure that y'all watched it till the end. And if you like me doing such videos, then do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below whatever you want me to do in next video, so that I can do that. And yeah, that's it for now. Now I'll take a good nap because I'm super tired. Okay, and I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye.